Welcome back to another video with the CAD source. Today, we're diving into the world of free-form drawing with the Sketch command and adding a touch of detail with the Cloud command. Let's start with Sketch. This command is your digital pencil, allowing you to draw freehand in Autocad, just as you would on paper. To begin, type Sketch in the command line or find it in the Draw panel. Once activated, simply move your mouse to start sketching your design. It's perfect for when precision is less important than the creative flow. Now, let's enhance our drawing with the Cloud command. Revision clouds are great for highlighting areas that need attention or changes. Activate the Cloud command by typing it into the command line. Then click to Set Points and create a cloud around the area you want to emphasize. With Sketch and Cloud, your drawings will not only be precise, but also carry that personal touch that makes your work stand out. Remember, Autocad is a powerful tool, but it's your creativity that brings designs to life. So go ahead, sketch your ideas and cloud your revisions. The only limit is your imagination. Thank you for joining us. Keep exploring, keep creating, and stay tuned for more Autocad tips and tricks.